creamy vanilla. It's like a sweet creamy vanilla ice cream. Hi and welcome back to Top Note by A. Today I have an unboxing and first impression from KAYALI to share with you guys. I chose their fragrance Vanilla 28. If you guys are interested, stay tuned and I'll get back with you guys. Again and welcome back to Top Note by A. On this channel, I review fragrances. I also show you tips and tricks to buy most fragrances at a discount. If you guys are interested, then don't forget to comment. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And to all my subscribers, both new and old, thank you for the support. I can't believe we are at 127 subscribers already, and I'm so happy about that. It might not be that much to somebody, but for me, 127 people like what I do and they subscribe to me. So also when you subscribe, do not forget to hit the notification button so that whenever I post, you will be notified. That being said, and let's not talk too much, once in a while I will throw in a beauty and fashion item every once in a while here and there, but mostly we will be talking about fragrances. So let's do this today. My hair is from Kira Dior. I've had this for a while and I'm loving it. I haven't done anything to it since I got it. It came like this and I've been rocking this for a while now. My foundation is from Estee Lauder. My lipstick is from MAC. My contour is from Fenty, the contour sticks. And what else? My eyelash I actually got from TJ Maxx, and this top I think I got from TJ Maxx if I'm not mistaken. Okay, let's move on and do the unboxing. This is KAYALI Vanilla 28 and I haven't opened it, so I want to open it with you guys so you know it's a true unboxing. I don't know anything. I haven't even gotten a sample of this. This is truly an unboxing. So this is the fragrance. It comes like this. And then when you pop it out, this is Vanilla 28. And I think this is the 100 mls. And the juice is like a light purple. And the cap, let's do the cap. The cap is not that heavy, but it has like gold trimming, and then the atomizer also has gold trimming. Let's spray this on my skin because I don't want to waste, because this is my first time spraying this. And let's see the atomizer. Oh, it's very beautiful. It sprays beautifully. Oh, wait, I should have waited for it to dry a little first, because it's tickling my nose. Ooh, this is sweet. Very vanillic. Ooh, it's vanillic, it's sweet. The main accords that were listed on Fragrantica said that it's woody, it's warm, spicy, and powdery, and sweet, and amber, and floral. But what I'm getting is the sweetness, is the vanilla. Let me read you the notes. This fragrance opens with vanilla, orchid, and jasmine. The middle has brown sugar and Tonka Bean. And then I think the base has Amberwood, Patchouli, and Musk. But this fragrance is like vanilla, it's sweet. I'm not getting any jasmine. And this is directly on my skin. I'm not getting any jasmine. And let me put it at the back of my hand too, because, oh, and here, and here. Ooh, I'm gonna smell good tonight. But once again, when you spray it, don't smell it right away because it tickles your nose. Let it dry down. Oh, before then I didn't do it right. So this is how I apply fragrances. I put it here, here, you know, here, and then, you know, on my pressure points. That's how I put on fragrance. And then I will put it at the back of my neck. I've been doing that, and then between my boobs. That's how I spray my fragrance. And then I let everything dry down, and then after I put on my clothes, then I just go like this, depending on how many times I want to spray it, because my motto is wear what you want to wear, when you want to wear it, and how you want to wear it. So if you want to do 2 sprays and you are okay, do it. If you want to do 20 sprays, it's your fragrance. You paid for it. I didn't pay for it. You did. So spray 20 times. That's okay. Sometimes if I'm going to bed, I put it also behind my knees. And then I also spray between my thighs. Sometimes it depends on which fragrance. But let's get back to KAYALI 28. This is a very beautiful fragrance, very sweet and vanilla, and I think this will layer very well with other fragrances in my collection. I think this will layer very well with Tiziana Terenzi vial, which I just reviewed, or I just hauled, and it will go very, very well with this fragrance if you want to layer. I think it will go very well with most of the fragrances that I have in my collection. It will go pair very well with Passe Soir from BDK. I think it will pair very well with most fragrances because it has the vanilla in it. It's like vanilla overload. It's sweet, but for me, what I'm getting right now, first impression, mind you, this is the first time. What I'm getting is the sweetness and the vanilla, but it's not excessively sweet. It's not excessively sweet at all. And I want to use the word, it's not cloying, which it literally, the meaning is something that is excessive. So it's not cloying. It's just sweet, it's vanilla. I'm not getting the powderiness from this on my skin, but then again, I just put it on. I'm just getting the vanilla and the sweetness. I'm not getting any jasmine. It's creamy too. So I think maybe the Tonka Bean is giving it the creaminess, but it's creamy vanilla. It's like a sweet, creamy vanilla ice cream. Oh, it's so beautiful. And the reason why I actually chose to go with Vanilla 28, I also got a small bottle of Eden Garden, which is upstairs. I didn't bring it to my filming room today, but my husband doesn't like it. It's too sweet. It's, I think, Eden Juicy Apple. It's Eden Juicy Apple. I got that one and I've been using that one. My husband said it's too sweet, but I like it, but my husband doesn't like it. I chose to buy this from the recommendation of my good friend here on YouTube, Chanel Got Scents. Please go follow her. I got this from her recommendation, and I think she recommended a good one for me. She told me, try this. I said, I want to try KAYALI, and she told me, your first KAYALI should be Vanilla 28. And Chanel, thank you so much. Vanilla 28, first impression, I'm excited. It's good. It's good. I'm very excited. I love the fact that I can pair it with so many fragrances that I have right in front of me, and it will still work. I'm very, very impressed with this fragrance. First impression, once again, it's sweet, it's vanillic, it's creamy. It will pair very well with so many fragrances. I'm so excited. I am very excited to have Vanilla 28 from KAYALI in my collection. What can I say? If you guys want more videos of this, like first impression, what to buy, please leave me a comment in the comment section. Let's talk about this. Tell me something that you just bought and you are very excited, fragrance wise, that you bought that you are very excited about, and let's discuss in the comment section. But until I see you on another video, you guys know, stay blessed, smell fabulous, and bye for now.